Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into Canara Bank account. Before beginning, if you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by opening up a web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in www.canarabank.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official website of Canara Bank, which looks like this. At the right-hand corner, you'll be able to see a login button. Simply mouse over towards the login button and you should see an expanded menu. Click on one of your choices from where you'd like to log into your account. In my case, I'm choosing this net banking option. Once you click on that, a new tab will open up and inside you'll be able to see a login area. Go ahead and type in your username that is associated with your account. Make sure to type it in correct. In case you don't remember your username, then you can click on Forgot User ID button at the bottom of the pop-up. Follow the instructions to look for it. After typing in your username, head over to the password text field. Type in your password. Also make sure to type it in correct if you'd like to log in without any kind of a problem. Right beside it, you'll be able to see an eye icon. If you click on that, you'll be able to reveal your password that you've typed in so that you can easily double check that if you've typed in your password correct or not. In case you don't remember your password during the login in process, then you can easily click on this link right here that says create/reset login password. Once you click on that, you can easily follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset your password to a new one. Now, right beneath, a CAPTCHA option will be shown. Type in the CAPTCHA that has been displayed on the screen right here. Make sure to type it in correct. If you don't understand what's written inside, then you can always click on this little infinity loop kind of icon, which will help you refresh your CAPTCHA. After typing it in, from the drop-down, select the language of your choice. Once you select it, click on the sign in button and you'll be logged into Canara Bank account in no time. That is how you'll be able to do so. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.